So my hair, I've left it growing now since pretty much we decided to sell the home.
It's gone.
As you can see, mostly what happens is the hair just flows out and it doesn't fall and it's really curly because I have like very weird bloodline. And we're gonna try and do kind of like an under shave cut. Basically, we're gonna pin up my hair and then we're gonna shave a bit of the sides, but not the back. We're gonna try and make it as little mullety as possible. My guess, it's gonna be pretty mullety, right?
It's gonna be mullety. I'm doing it.
She's doing it.
Not a hairstylist. Here we go.
So say goodbye to this.
Hi, we're Ashley and Nigel. We recently quit our jobs and sold our home in Seattle and are now traveling the world full time. Welcome to our channel.
Please like and subscribe for more fun travel content. Yeah, take it around the back.
That is what we are dealing with.
Beautifully moist.
We are gonna start like about that level.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna need you to sit.
We have a butt stool. I just realized the word butt stool theoretically means poo. You gonna shave me while I'm sitting down?
Yes, you're taller than me.
I'm not taller than anybody.
That's true.
All right, get me good.
So his hair is so curly and it's so much of it. The parts that I know we're not going to shave, I'm gonna try to dampen a little bit and pin it. Yeah, guys, this is not, like, I don't know what I'm doing. So.
I'm gonna do her after, by the way.
No, you're not.
Do I look like a fat pirate?
Hi, you guys.
I don't understand. He came out of the shower the other day and asked if he looked like a fat pirate. And, like, I don't really understand.
I think it's because of the mustache, and then this, and then the long hair, and when it's wet, it's all like buccaneerish. I have like real sad eyes naturally. I think our fans like me to have some humility. I think it's very, what's the, like, humid? No, that's not
Humid.
it. What does it mean to be, what, humility? What is the other word for it?
What is the other word for humility?
Yeah, well, like if you were to describe somebody as having humility, you would describe them as not human.
It's the humidity.
What is it? What's the word?
I don't know what you're going for.
What does humility mean?
I can't do two things at once. I'm so focused on trying to get this line right.
Like, I'm not talking about how handsome I am or nothing like that. I'm being real with the community.
Oh my god.
And I'm less than handsome. But I'm a wonderful person.
I feel like this is gonna be so mulletish.
I would like to clip this to here.
But do I have the section right? Like, it's going to be this starting out. We can take more after.
Take off that, and then we'll let it down, and we'll see what we got.
See what it is. All right, what were we talking about humility for? I'm sorry, I like zoned out with nervousness of trying to get
Nervousness? Why are you nervous? It's hair. It'll grow back.
I don't know.
Is that right? Like,
am I balding?
no.
All right, you ready?
No. Okay, so that's, I guess, the right line. Oh god, I can't even get this thing turned on. Such a good start. Okay. Does it go this way
I would.
or this way?
I would. No, not that way. Flip it up.
Failure.
Nope.
Failure.
Go.
Again, is it like this?
No.
Like this?
Damn.
I mean, that's like barely taking off anything.
I never said this would be quick.
Yeah, you try it to see if, like, am I not pushing hard enough? Okay, I'm not pushing hard enough. I'm so nervous.
Why are you nervous? It's hair, it grows back.
I Everybody's judging you right now. What's funny is, like, if people see me with a bad haircut, they're not gonna assume you did it. They're just gonna assume I got a bad haircut. Oh, there it goes. Oh! Just make sure that clipper don't come off, or else it's gonna be a big bald spot.
Doing my best.
Look at this.
Oh my god. Why were we talking about humility earlier?
Someone can have humility, but you would describe them as a humility person. What is the word that you would describe them as? There's a word, and when we say it, we're both gonna be like, oh, you mean that
Yeah,
word?
I know. Why can't I think of
It's
that?
not human.
It's not humid. No.
I know it's not human.
I can't concentrate on words when I'm doing this.
It's gonna make me look really good because I still have words.
Yeah.
And you're gonna look like fool.
I will. And
You're gonna look like fool.
I'm looking up synonyms for humility now because I can't. My brain can't concentrate on it, but it also can't move on. Humble.
Humble. I'm humble because, like, I'm not a cutie patootie, but I'm an interesting duty. I said I'm interesting, boo.
Sorry, I know I just
Yeah,
stabbed you.
yeah, you hit my weasel. I was hit in the back of the head with a baseball bat, and I have a keloid scar on my skull. It makes this big lump. It's called the weasel.
Sorry.
Qui que c'est bon? It doesn't even look like we got anything.
No, it does.
Look.
No, I know you can see it. Falling, stick out.
All right, let's go a little bit shorter.
A little shorter?
Yeah.
Do you want me to go higher?
That I want to go.
No. I'll do it.
No, if you're scared of life and friendship and
I'm
stuff like that.
definitely scared of all those things and others. You know what?
Yeah.
This is actually gonna be a ton easier. That's what's
Go
so
ahead.
hard. You see it?
Mm-hmm. Take it off.
Okay.
Just don't stab me.
Hey.
Yeah, it smells like shit.
I should have thought of this earlier. This is gonna be much easier. That's coming off now.
You want to try and unpin it, see what's going on?
Do I have any more in there?
That's looking good, huh?
That does look actually really good. Yeah. For a
It's
mullet.
too much to be a mullet. This was the plan. Mastermind, y'all.
Also, one option is to leave it one-sided. Have your hair.
Oh no, I look so emo. I look like the lead
like
singer of
this?
Skrillex.
Haters gonna hate.
It's really, the back is not the problem. It's the sides that go
yeah.
from here. This is so hard to do.
No, other way.
Other way.
Well, I do have some pretty hair, though. You think I'm going bald?
Oh my god. Put it like you would fix it, like you would wear it.
I'm done.
I just would wear it.
Just down like that?
Yeah, I just wear it. I'd still love you if you had this much hair in your armpit.
That's sweet.
I think you'd stink a bit, but I love you. The Kuyo curl. That's what that's
way
called.
too low.
Clip that
Start
first.
there?
Yeah,
Okay.
clip that first. Because my wife's pubis can't be trusted. Can't be trusted.
Why my pubis?
There's this really fun thing I do with Ashley where I say something completely off the wall, and I've been doing this for decades now. I'll say something off the wall, say like a decade's worth of goat feces, and she'll say a decade's worth of goat feces, and just hearing her say it in a question is funny to me, and that's her response to anything she doesn't get. She just repeats it back with a question. It's freaking hilarious. My pubis.
You got a lot of hair, bro.
Yeah. Let's stop right now.
No. No. I'll get you. That's not helpful. No, that's so weird. No. Ow.
Focus, this focus, yeah. Trying to get this focus, this focus, yeah. I'm gonna grab some Vaseline, put it on your armpit while you're sleeping. You're gonna be, what up? Is my armpit juicy? You're gonna think you have a problem with your nerves and your armpit. Ah!
You pulled the hair so hard I forgot my song. Your motivations don't have anything to do with my pain.
That's fair. Some of it's gonna fall out, but.
Tied up. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. I don't know if anyone knows this, but hair gel is soap. So if you just use soap, you don't need hair gel. I've been using soap in my hair for months now, and I look gorgeous. Yep. There we go.
What?
See? Do all that. Thank you for watching. I'm Nigel.
The butterfly
And that's the butterfly. And we're out roaming apart.
emerges from the cocoon.
Please like and subscribe for more fun travel content.